Okay, so let's understand about the new topic. Okay, so as of now, if you remember that we just discussed about the item category kind of the special stock process, which is like consignment, subcontracting, third party, standard process, right? So now that is a completely it's kind of the purchasing process. But after we receive the stock, how you are how you are consuming that stock or how you are transferring to the other plants, okay, how you are moving to the other stock type like quality inspection or block stock. Okay, so let's understand about that. So did we discuss about that unrestricted quality and block stock, how the changes will move?
Yeah, unrestricted. When we receive it 101, goes to unrestricted.
101, but did we discuss about that quality inspection and no, right?
QI, not yet, because I understand while receiving, it's still at QI, right?
Hmm.
So when we do the 101, so it came from QI to unrestricted.
Okay, so that process we discussed it, right? No,
No, no,
no.
no,
Okay,
not yet.
okay. So usually we have three types of stock types. One is unrestricted, one is quality, and one is blocked. Okay,
Okay.
so we can when we receiving the stock from the vendor, okay, if you want to do the some quality inspection check and if there is no quality management activated in the our company, we can do manually the transferring the stock to the quality inspection, do the manual checkup and then confirm that stock to unrestricted. Okay, so that also
Okay.
we can do. In case if it is a quality management is active, the quality management is active, then automatically that stock always it will go to the quality inspection stock only further to do the inspection. In case if it is not activated the quality management also, we can do manually to move the stock to quality inspection when you receive the stock. So there is two
Okay.
cases. There is two cases. If you have the quality management consultant and QM module was activated, okay, that the stock always the material always it will go to the quality inspection further to check the parameters and if it is all it's good, then they will move the stock from quality inspection to uh, unrestricted stock. Okay,
Okay.
if it is not having any quality management but still user want to go ahead with the quality inspection manually checkup without any parameters and all, in that case also manually you can push the stock when you are receiving the stock from the vendor manually to quality inspection.
Okay.
Okay, let's try how we can do that. Okay, now I'm just going with that the material 8093. Okay, I'm just trying to activate the quality management. Okay, for this you should have the quality inspections, quality management tab. Okay, quality management tab. So here it is not activated because that quality management in the material type level they are hide. So now I'll activate that. So where I can go to, you can go to OMS2 and the material type level. Okay, you can activate the quality management view for the this material type. Okay, so I'll go for that. So what is the material type? There is some ST01 is there. I'm just going that, double click on that. You can see here there is a quality inspection checkbox is there.
Okay.
Okay, so you can activate this one. Okay, this material type level. So that means this material type also what are the materials which is creating by using this material type, they can still create the quality inspection quality management data. Okay, so now I'll be going to mm01 and now I'm entering this material number. I'm trying to extend to the quality management data. Let's see, now we got a quality inspection quality management. Okay, now I'll be entering here quality management and now enter the plant code. Okay, and here you have the inspection setup. Okay, you have inspection setup. So you can just click on here, okay, and you have to be create the inspection types here, okay. So if you want to do the while GR goods is shipped with purchase order, okay, so always when this material is receiving from the vendor to purchase order, we need to do the inspection. So in that case you have to activate 01. Okay, in case if it is a goods issue, then you have to select a 02. If it is a in process manufacturing order or it is a production order goes to shipped, so like different process are there. You can select what process it is suitable to you for inspection activated. Okay, now I'll be going with 01. Okay, clear. Now, and I'm just needs to be activate here first. Okay, I need to be activate here, enter. Okay, now you can see the inspection setup checkbox also it is coming.
Yeah.
Okay, save. Okay, so now you can go to MM02. Okay, and go to quality inspection. Okay, and see inspection setup here. The inspection post to inspection we activated for goods received, inspection for purchase order. Okay, so if you have the quality management resource, okay, he can maintain the sampling procedures. They can create some sampling procedures. That means random sampling, or how they can do some sampling, right? That sampling procedure they can create it. Okay, but we don't have quality inspection guy, so I'm not assigning anything. I just want to show up to that how it works. Okay, clear.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, and you can also see that the usage decision code and all this information it is there here. Okay, so and if you have the quality management team, they will also create the quality master data. Okay, they will also create the quality master data, so that you can go to QA02 or QA12, some it is there, inspection logs. Okay, they have some transaction codes are there. There they can maintain the all these quality inspection logs and all they can create it. Okay, now since we don't have the quality inspection guy here, I'm just simply going that activating the quality management. Okay, now I'll be going to the creation of purchase order ME21N. Okay, and with supplier, any of the supplier you can go. Okay, okay, sorry, this is not supplier. Okay, I'll go with some my supplier. Okay, and I'm just creating normal purchase order only. I'm not doing anything here. I'm just simply creating the purchase order for my material 8093, which is already activated a quality management. Okay, so I'm also assigning here and the materials and all. Sorry, this is APROW. You can go with anything which is okay. Okay, I'll just go with raw material store location. Raw material store location APRW. Okay, so ARW. Okay, now I just created purchase order. Let's see whether this will go to the quality inspection when you are receiving the product from the vendor, or it will go to the unrestricted stock. Okay, here also you can observe that in the delivery tab, okay, there will be a stock type is there. You can see here stock type. So this stock type it is coming automatically quality inspection. Okay, that means this material always it will go to the quality inspection. Okay, when you are receiving the product, it will give the stock will go to the quality inspection. In case if you don't have the quality management activation, manually you can select here itself when you are creating the PO. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
That is also possible. Okay, now I'll just saving here. Now this is the purchase order which is created. I'll be going to the MyGo, and I'll be receiving the goods. Okay, and I'm just doing what we did earlier manually all year and all. Now you can see here the where tab, the movement type, plant and store location. Along with this, you also have the stock type. Okay, see here, you have the stock type automatically coming quality inspection because we activated the quality management for this material.
Yeah.
Okay, if you are not done, then you can manually change this one. If it is quality management not activated, you can change that. But here already quality management is activated, so it won't be allowed. It will be always processing to the quality inspection, the material. Clear?
Okay.
So this is the one we need to when quality management integrated with the MM. Okay, now the stock is moved to unrestricted or quality.
Quality.
Quality, right? So you can see the stock here, MMB. There you can see the stock, it is displayed in the quality inspection. So you can see here, there is a quality inspection here. Okay. So now you have to move this stock quality inspection to unrestricted.
Sticker.
Okay. If you want to use that product. Or if the quality is validated and they approved, all ISO marks, everything it is confirmed, then they can process this one. Okay. So here the major point is you need to remember that if the quality management is active in the metal master record, then you can't be do manually transferring the stock from the quality inspection to unrestricted. Make sure that you have to be perform that all the quality checkup usage decision, then only the stock will move to the unrestricted. You can't do manually. But in case you manually, it is no, QM is not activated, but you manually move to the quality inspection. That case, you can do transfer posting from quality inspection to unrestricted once you are satisfied with that material. It's clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So now in this case, what I am saying, I can't move that this stock manually to unrestricted. Okay. Clear? Okay, now what to do, how to do and what to do in case if it is in the quality inspection. Okay, so you have to do quality usage decision. So that is the T code is QA32. QA32 is for the quality inspection lot. The inspections, the system will be creating inspection lot for the material. Okay, and I'm just executing this one. Let's see if anything which is there. See here, the inspection lot which is created. Inspection lot automatically created, which this is for quality management team. So they will do quality inspection here, okay, and they will do inspection specifications, all these things, okay, and they will give the usage decision whether it is good or bad. They will be performing that. Okay, clear?
Okay.
So, and they can also define that parameters. If any parameters like the length should be 1 mm, the thickness should be 2 mm, or the color should be red color, or the color should be yellow color. So some quality parameters will be there, right? Product to product. So that parameters they will maintain. Okay, clear?
Okay.
So all it is depends on you can see the status also. Inspection is released and sample calculated, quantity posting required. Okay. So all this it will be display here. Now what to do here? Go to here and you can go to change. Okay. So you can go to here and change here, and you have to perform that the inspection confirmation. Okay, you have to confirm that. Okay, so go to usage decision, display usage decision results, inspection lot, so all these things you have to do. So I'll go here, change, it is not there. So what is the inspection lot number? This is the inspection lot number. Let's go to QA32, QA02, sorry, QA02 and enter. And you can see here the sample. If you have any samples, you can enter that sample. Okay, the sample, how much sample you did, and all these details you have to do. Okay, clear? Okay, so and if your usage decision is done, okay, they can you can check here the usage decision. Okay, all the other parameters you can see what it is, actual quantity, how much it is, days per moment, Okay, so all these things you can do from here. Okay, if it is anything which is failed, which is not good, and you want to be returned that goods, then also you can do with moment type reverse return that. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Okay, so now I'll go to QA32 again, and let's see if I can perform the quality inspection, because all setup it is needed. Quality management side we need to do all the setup, then only it will allow. Okay, so let me check if any possibility are there from my side to do. Okay, now I have possibility. It is asking that do you want to accept this product? Are you okay with that product? Okay, if I am okay, then what you can do? You can put this accepted. Usage code is accepted. Okay, so you can see the usage code is accepted. Okay, and you can also do see acceptancy, and you can reject if you return delivery defect. Okay, what you want to do, you can do that. Okay, and you can select what the combinations are there, you can select it. So I'm just selecting here accept.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just selecting that. If you have any defects are there, you can record the defects also. Okay, if you have any record the defects are there, you can record that. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Now I'm just accepting here. Okay, if you want to write anything comments, you can write comments also. Okay, and you can see the loss inspection loss stock, and here you can see here if you want to be out of 10, you want to be move one quantity to unrestricted, one quantity to block. Okay, and one quantity to return back. Okay, so like you want to do, you can also do that. Okay, it's
Okay.
clear. Okay, because see, out of 10, if I'm just validating that, out of this 8 are good, so I'm just accepting that to 8, or if it is 7 is good, and 1 is scrapped, completely damaged. Okay, and 1 I just want to put in a block stock, still I'm not confusing that this is not passed to quality, but I'm just putting it to block, don't use that product until it is passed, and I'm just returning one product to the vendor. So you can do that as well here. Okay, and I'm just saving this one. Okay, clear? I'm just saving
Okay.
here. So reason you have to enter why you are returning back. So there is poor quality damage or something which you can put that. Okay, okay. So here it is telling that incorrect posting to unrestricted error message defect of 6 inches app material, and there is a posting also which is there unrestricted to quality, and we are returning back, right? Let's correct this one obyc setting, because it's trying to post in the background. It is trying to return the stock to the uh, vendor, return to the vendor, and all it's doing, right? So again, the accounting entries also it will be impacted where it is needed. Okay, so int I'm just posting where it is needed. So vng is 0710, vng is 0710. vng is 0710. vng 0710, and okay, and saving here. Now let me try again that error is gone or not. Okay, so continue. I'm just again trying to do save. So one it is again we got some account assignment object which is for this one, which we did, right? Okay, B9. It will check all the parameters where it is needed. So okay, B9 again 40001. So this time we got that 40001. So let's take any of 40001 which is there. Okay, I'm just copying this here, and for my APPL, and what is the cost center we created? APPL only. Okay, so now again I'm trying to do, click on save. So now we got 7 eaches incorrect posting to unrestricted stock. So defect to stock, which is quality inspection, A09 APPR RW, and one each posted already scrap. It is scrap already posted. Okay, and when incorrect block stock, we are trying to block stock also, that is getting error, and incorrect posting to error, which is the quality inspection back. So one it is already posted. Let's see what it is posted already. So MB51, see in the MB51, if you can see today date, it is already posted scrap. Okay, so same sub. I'll just remove this one. I'll just post this material next zone. You can see there is already one posting happened, not one. Okay, and where is other 093? Okay, I think it should be post everything at one time only. It will post the thing. Okay, now we got a problem with this APRW don't have the stock to be posted to unrestricted. Okay, total how much it is actually, go to MMBE and see that 8093 execute. So total it is APRW only, it is there, APRW it is there, that 10 quantity it was there. So let me try, is it 10, okay. Sorry.
No.
Okay, so you can see the document date also is today only, and any proposal stock. I split it this way, but it is giving the some error. Okay, so what it is, the defect to stock, store location stock in quality inspection 6 inches. So I think first, okay, why I'm not sure why it is. So I'll just put, I'll just reject this one. Let's try. If we reject it, then it will be accept or not. Or do we need to put a usage code mandatory? Or if we enter the directly the values in the unrestricted quality, is that enough or not? Let's try with that, because it will check parameters, all the parameters, quality parameters and all. I'm just posting here. Select usage decision code. Okay, so usage decision is mandatory. Okay, so I'll just accepting. Just accepting. Okay, I'm just accepting here and save. Okay, so the stock and two unrestricted error, defects of stock in quality inspection. I'm not sure why it is coming, because already stock it is there in the quality inspection only. Okay, we'll try one by one, or else we'll try one by one. Okay, first we'll post one quantity unrestricted. Try it is accepting or not. Okay, stock posting for inspection lot is not completed. So that is what it is giving. Okay, that's why it is not allowing here. First you need to be do the quality inspection. Okay, so that's why it is not happening. Okay, so now I think some other step which is needed from quality management, they have to be released or something. What to do here? Some quality usage, change inspection lot, defect, print, create defects. You have entered a report type is, what is report type? It is defect 2 and no number of defects. core group, material defects. Okay, the number of defect 1, save. Okay, and inspection lot, sample correction actual quantity is 10. Okay, save, and now try to usage decision. Okay, I'm just saving here. Okay, so now you can refresh this one. The usage decision was done. That means I accepted that. Okay, so if I accepted a stock, what will be happen? If I go to MMBE, okay, and execute this one, okay, the stock from quality inspection, it is moved to unrestricted. Okay, the quality stock which is moved from here to here because I accepted that. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
So you can't do manually this quality inspection by using the movement type. System should allow automatically when you are accepted the quality decision. Okay, clear?
Okay. So that's when you transfer QI to unrestricted by accepting it. Right?
By accepting that stock. Okay, so there is other possibilities also which I have shown that the sampling and all you can do that. Okay, so because if it is not allowing, it might be needs to do some other steps to confirm the returns and all. Okay, clear? So I'll try to do one more time with the same material. See if we can able to do or not. I'll just take this time 100. Because that is not our step. Okay, again it is not our step to perform that. Okay, this is the only will perform by quality management team. Clear?
Yeah.
So now again I am receiving the stock MIGO purchase order. I'm receiving the stock. Okay, and you can do materials and check and post. Okay, so now stock again we got into the quality inspection. Correct? Is it quality inspection stock or it is unrestricted stock? It is in the quality inspection because
Quality,
when
yeah.
we are receiving the stock, it will be displayed in the here. Okay. To see inspection lot created or not, you can go to QA32 and see that our material any quality inspection pending are there. Okay. Select all the inspections without usage and with usage, whatever it is there, you can see. So you can see here, one is already processed one and the second one which is this one. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can see the status also. In the top it is already confirmed. Here it is still not. Okay,
Okay.
so you can go to QA 02. See the inspection lot here. Okay, the inspection lot here, and you can also create the results also here. You can create the results. If you want to create results, you can create it. Characteristic results cannot be recorded inspection because we didn't create any quality characteristics. Okay, usually the quality management team when they are creating the material, they will tell you that these are the quality inspection is needed. How they will check that? There is a characteristics tab should be there. Okay, so let's go to OMS2 and activate the classification view. So that classification have the characteristics. Okay, so I'll just go to ST01 and enter here. I'm just activating the classification data. Where is the classification here? This is the classification data. Classification data. Okay. So what will be happen if you are activated the classification when you are creating the material? Okay. So they can create the characteristics for this material, what it is needed and all. Okay. So you can see here material class, batch, material configurable variants like that. You can they have that. You can maintain that class. Okay, so you can what it is information needed for your material that you can maintain here. Okay, so this is the again they will be maintaining these characteristics and all here. And suppose let's say I can have the characteristic, the length, width, color, uh, size, okay, weight. So like we have different characteristics when they are receiving the stock, so that characteristic they can create. Okay, so how you can create that? That is the again different topic, class and characteristics, which defined by the quality management team, production management team, even material management team. Different process they can use the characteristics. Okay, that we will discuss later. Okay, leave it. Okay, so now I'm just showing here where they will be maintaining this. Okay, now I'll just skipping here. Now I'll be go to QA32. Where is the QA32? Okay, now this is the QA32. Go to, I'll stop, I'll close the other. Okay, so this is also not necessary. Okay, this is also not necessary. Okay, now I'll just go with this one. Okay, so this quality usage decision, you can, if you want change, you can change it. Okay, and you can perform that the results and everything, you can perform that. Okay, so you can go here and you can perform that when start date and end date, when they are performing. Okay, you can put the start text and all. Okay, sample results and all you can create. Okay, and you can see the material document link also, you can see here what it is created. Okay, and any quality usage decision is done, you can see that usage decision also. Okay, all you can see from here only. Okay, so I'll just copying this one, this quality inspection. I'm just copying and going to QA 02 manually. Okay, and if you want to maintain the results and defects and all, you can do here. So it is, we got some error, right? You can maintain that as well here. Okay, one defect and save. And also QA02 and results, you can put results. Okay, characteristics results cannot be recorded because it's not defined. Okay, so this is what we just discussing, right? That quality inspection results and all, it is not. Okay, now then material defect, defective, wrong, calculate, and all these things you can maintain. Incorrect to package, what it is there, you can do that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so then process notification. Uh, so so this process notification and all, it is for the their purpose, production date, and this is not required from our side. Okay, then go back. Okay, so this record defect and all we are sending to the defense. So okay, so then you can also activate notification. the code and all you can maintain. SAP notification and all you can maintain that, problem notification information and all. Okay, so this is not required for us. Okay, leave it. Now I'm just saving this here and go to usage decision and maintain the usage decision here. Okay, so you can maintain defects here. If any defects are there, you can maintain. You can see that defect which we created, that is attached here. Okay, and select any defective quantity. You can maintain defect quantity, inspected quantity how much. So let's say some that inspected quantity 10 quantity, defect quantity also 10 quantity. Okay, okay, so that also. Then completion, complete the inspection. Okay, and then put here, let's try putting here 70 60, which I'm just putting unrestricted. Stock posting for inspection lot is not completed, so this is also we are getting. So we triggered that stock posting in QM system display message. This triggered message by selecting vendor. You corrected data you entered. Okay, so first we'll save and again I'll go, and if anything which we need to enter, open lot quantities. Okay, so it's not there. This is APPL. Sorry, APP1. And complete inspection. Okay, so I will put that. I'll just doing rejection here. Let's see how it works now. So what I'm doing here, I'm just rejecting here. Rejected return delivery defect quantity. So I'm just doing return delivery. Okay, and how much we need to do return delivery? I'm just trying to do return 10 quantity. Region, I'm just putting that it is damaged. Okay, now 90% 10 quantity save. Okay, so now usage system has saved. Let's see MB51, any posting happened, any posting which is happened today for this material. Execute this one. Now you can see that there is a moment type 321. There is a moment type of 321. There is a moment type of 122. What is this? 122. What is this 122? You can go here, double click on that. This is the vendor returns. Okay, you can see here. This is the vendor returns. Okay, we have returned to the vendor. Okay, so how much we returned? The 10 quantity we returned. Okay, so you can see in the here also in the stock overview, out of 100, 10 quantity which is gone to the, out of 100, 10 quantity which is gone to the vendor, return to vendor. Okay, so I'm not doing manually to return. I'm from the inspection itself, I'm trying to post the return to the vendor. Okay, clear?
Okay.
So you saw right. So did you understand that what we are doing here? Okay, okay. So then I'll again go back and go to QA32 or QA02 inspection, and again I'm trying to do detailed info. Okay, it is already completed. So now you can see that inspection completed and usage decision has made, sample collected, defect were recorded, short term. So all these things which is recorded here, what you are doing all it is recorded here. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
So again, so usually they have to perform at one time when they are doing that. Okay, so lots without UD. Let's say again execute this one. It's already performed. Already this already performed. That's why it is not coming. Okay. So any questions here?
Yeah, good.
So this is the what they will perform usually. Okay, they will do this. It will, they will do the all the returns and sampling all this thing they will do from here itself. Okay, clear.
Mhm.
So we'll try one more PO also. I have done return, right, vendor returns, right. Let me try
Yeah.
this time maybe scrap or something. Let's try. Okay. So you understand, right, why we are trying to do multiple times. Why we are trying to do multiple times the same process. I'm just showing up to you how many ways we can do from quality inspection itself, how they can reject it. Okay.
Okay.
So now I've just taken 10 quantity. So again I'm receiving the stock now. Again the stock will come to the quality inspection only. Because I activated in the metal master level itself, this metal should be go to quality inspection only always. So it will come out always to the quality inspection. Okay, clear? Why
Yeah.
it is coming to quality inspection, clear? So any questions, let me know. Okay, if you have any doubts or something, just let me know. Okay. Now I posted again. Okay, so I document okay and post. Now stock which is received. Now how much quantity it is there? I think now this is the new store location APA. APPA. APP have the stock of how much it is there? 10 quantity. APP have the 10 quantity in the quality inspection. Okay. So now again I'll go to QA32 and check what it is pending. Okay. So you can see here this is one pending. I can select all also, select all and you can execute also you can do. Okay. So two is completed and one it is still it is pending. So what you need to do again? Again you go to the inspection lot and update the inspection. Okay, all these details you have to do, right?
Okay.
Okay, so block lot, unblock, give approvals, withdrawal approvals, and there are so many processes are there. Okay, I'm just copying this inspection lot. Go to create at QA02 and enter your inspection lot. Okay, and do your acceptance, utilization concept, acceptance, all these details. Now, what I will try to do here, actual quantity, actual lot is 10 and adjustment posting from Q and this one, and you can directly give the movement type if you know the scrap which is related. Okay, scrap and all you can do. Okay, or else I'll be manually give. Okay, first I'll just do the usage decision. Okay, usage decision, I'll go to usage decision, and what I'm trying to do here, I'm just giving the usage decision code. This is decision code which goes to shape scrap of the rejected quantity. Okay, scrap of rejected quantity. Okay, so I'm just selected that and go to inspection. I'm just rejecting scrap. Okay, I'm just putting to scrap or how much quantity? 10 quantity. So entire quantity I'm just scrapping that. Okay, clear? So what I'll do, I'll just save this one. So what happened now? What happened now? The
Scrap
quality
the
inspection
three pieces is
is
scrap.
completed. Quality inspection is completed. The decision is done, but stock which is moved to scrap. So it is not moved to unrestricted. You can refresh this one. Now it is sorry, not this one, which there is a other transaction at the screen which is already gone. Okay, now I'm just refreshing this one. You can see the APPA. APPA is not there because it's already moved to scrap. Okay, and you can see that posting also in MB51 and postings you can see today what it's posted. All this you can see here. I can see there is a movement type of 553. What is this 553? This
But
553 is the scrap. The scrap which is moving from the quality inspection.
UI is scrapping from QI.
I'm just scrapping that. There is no use because it's already damaged. Even I cannot return back to the vendor because it's all spoiled. So I don't want to even. I just informed to my vendor the entire product was damaged and spoiled and expired. Okay, so it is difficult to the return back to your location. So I'm just putting into scrap. If he is
Okay.
accepted, then you can do the scrapping. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
So I did return, I did scrapping, I accepted the unrestricted stock, and also you can do, what you can do. I'll just create one more. Let me try if I can create manually inspection lot origin. Okay, inspection lot for 90. Supplier is 90001. I'm just doing manually. Okay, so inspection lot is 90. Okay, so I'm just creating this inspection lot. Now I'll do the usage decision. Okay, go back. QA02. I'll go to QA02. I'll do inspection lot. Okay, so usage decision. I'm just doing inspection usage decision. So what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to do usage decision for stock which I have. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just put that some rework which is needed, something I'm just putting that. Okay, some region, and I'll be go here. I'm just putting a region, and what you can do other than that, save or rework it is there. So that it is already posted. This is already posted. Okay, so the decision already made. That means I just said that okay, it is already done. Okay, but I'm just giving the like you need to do some rework and all to post this one, and the usage decision I just given that rejected. What I have given, I just rejected that. Why I rejected that? Okay, I think here the plan which is coming wrong. Okay, so it's not my plan. Why it's coming like this? Let me try to check the stock MMBE. Still it is there. Okay, so plant which is coming wrong. Okay, again I will do one more time Q01. I'm just trying to do manually inspection. If I want to do with existing stock what it is available, okay, I'm just trying to do again revalidation of that. Okay, clear what I'm trying to do here. Okay, so I'll just origin start and today date and all this thing. Save here. Now quality inspection 308 is created. Go to change, and you can put defects and results and all where you want to try to do. You can try to do. Okay, Q02 usage decision. I can't see that here putting into the somewhere. Okay, without completion inspection lots without this. Okay, usage decision. I think they might be have some other process steps also. The master data results and all actual quantity 90 quantity and data of origin. Okay, inspection lot quantities, inspection specifications, usage decision. Still it is not done. Okay, so let me now where I have the option of plant. I've just seen that plant which is coming different plant. There is any options are there. transfer. Here somewhere we have make reset and lock, reset, give approval, cancel. I'm just trying to check if any other options are there. Inspection lot, inspection usage and display, inspection lot and change results, change record. There is no results here. Okay, anyway, this is a completely QM. It is not from for ourselves. It is okay. I just try to show up something, but only have the options of the accepting only. Okay, so only via PO I can go ahead here. Okay, so you have the scrap rejection and return, okay, rejected, okay, acceptancy, okay, all these things which is there. Okay, so from here usage decision code, it will be processing. Any other options are there? I'll just trying to show up that. Okay, so if it is nothing there, then I'll just save this one. Okay, so any questions? The process wise.
So,
So this is the quality inspection. If you are activated, if suppose you are not activated, let's say assume that I have different material. Okay, let's say 8094 something. Okay, 8094, which is the not at extended to quality management. Okay, so in that case, what you need to do? What you need to do? If you want to do quality inspection but quality management not activated, so what you can do, you can still maintain that the stock should be go to the quality inspection by changing manually here by the quality inspection stock to change the quality inspection. Okay, so manually I'm changing here. It is not coming automatically because I'm not activated the quality management view. Now I'm just changing the quality inspection manually and save. Okay, so check if any other information which is missing. Price is missing. Okay, I'll just enter price also. Okay, so some I think some condition which is missing. That PPWX I will enter manually. Okay. And then save. Okay, now purchase order created. So what is the difference between the previous purchase order, this purchase order? What is the difference? That previous purchase order, the material is activated quality inspection. Here also I activated, but it is manually added. Okay, not automatically, which is populating. That means this
this
quality
is
management is not activated for this material. Okay,
okay.
so now we can take the material. You can just copy this PO and do the GR. Since I have selected here default quality inspection, so when you are receiving the stock, it will receive the quality inspection defaultly. So it is coming automatically defaultly stock type quality inspection. Okay, so here also you have the option, you can change it. Okay, in case if you forgotten the purchase order, but still you have some doubt to check the stock, then you can change here also. Okay, now stock item okay and check and post. So here also the stock which is moved to quality inspection, I can see in the stock overview, it is displaying APPA, it is displaying that pack in this store location. Okay, but If I go to QA32, there is no usage decision created. There is no usage decision created because we are not activated quality management. We just manually move to a quality inspection.
Yeah.
Okay. So in this case, if you want to return the goods or if you want to accept the stock, that you have to manually do the transfer posting. You have to give the transfer posting other, and you have to change the moment type manually by 321, 322. Some moment types are there. That moment types you have to enter. Okay, depends on the process. Okay. So what is the material hours? Material is 2094 only, right? Or why it is not coming 3094? Do you remember that? What is the material? Sorry, 8094. Sorry, 8094. Okay. I just confused that. Okay, so 8094. Okay, so now I'm just using that all other same details which I have. Okay, here also I'm just giving the same. I'm not changing anything here, the store location or anything. Okay, now I'll just transferring the stock. So what I'm trying to do here, you can see the where tab. This moment type should be 321. Okay, so quality inspection to unrestricted. I'm transferring the stock from quality to unrestricted. So manually I'm transferring the stock. Okay, so click on check and post. So now I just manually posted this. So the stock which is moved one quantity to from quality inspection to unrestricted. So you can see now 9 only it is there. Already 1 it is moved unrestricted. Okay. You can also do, if you want to try to do blocking the stock, and if you want to do quality to block to quality, unrestricted block, all these things you can do same way by using transfer posting other, and the moment type you have to give here. There is a moment types are 321, 322, 343, 344, 349, 350. These are the 6 moment types. Quality to unrestricted, unrestricted to quality. Okay. And quality to block to quality. Okay. Unrestricted block to unrestricted. What are the moment types? Tell me what is the moment types? 321, 322, 343, 344, 349, 350. These 6 moment types. What are the quality to unrestricted, unrestricted quality, block to quality, quality to block to unrestricted, unrestricted block.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's rotation between the stock type to stock type manually. It's clear?
Yeah.
So do that assignment. Okay, manually you do, nothing to do with that. So simply select transfer posting other and select the moment type and go here material, check what process you are trying to do.
Yeah.
Okay, clear?
Yeah. Got it.
You will do